Caution before assembly. Please put the product on the flat surface when assembling. There are small components used in the construction of this product. Keep the parts out of the reach of children when assembling to avoid danger. Fix the foot pad to the bottom of frame. Or you can also use felt pad on the bottom of frame A and B. Insert H to G. Then insert H to F. Fix H to G and F with 10 screws E. Fix G to A with 2 screws E. Fix F to A with 2 screws E. Fix F and G to the other frame A with 4 screws E. Put the 3 cushions eye on the flat surface. Fix the 3 cushions I to F and G with 12 screws J.